got a parcel to have a look at, haven't I? Should be my fork yokes, I think. Very nice. Good condition. Hopefully not bent like mine are. All the olive green bolts still there as well. Not bad for 9.95 I think they were for eBay. Buzzing. So back again after the Christmas period. It's been a while. A lot's happened and a lot hasn't happened. Bought loads of bits. Got my 350Lc radiator on. Got my new forks in. Got my new clocks on. Got my exhaust welded up. Everything like that. All was going fine. Tried to start it the other day. Wouldn't start. And I've went through absolutely everything on the bike apart from replacing the CDI and the stator. Can't find a fault anywhere. I've got a new stator on the way to see if that's the issue, but as I took the crank seal off from behind the stator and the flywheel, the inner bearing race, the crank's spinning on the inner bearing race, so looks like I'm going to have to split the engine apart, so you'll get to see us doing that today. So it should be interesting what happens today and see what I find in the crank itself. See if the bearing's cracked or see if the crank's worn. I'll have to decide whether to buy a new crank or not, or buy new bearings. But let's see how it goes, eh? So we've got the engine apart, took the crank off. On the flywheel side, this is the bearing. It slides very easy on there, but the bearing race just spins, and it shouldn't be that loose. The bearing shouldn't be that loose to get on and off. There's a bit of pitting here where the crankshaft oil seal sits, and I don't know whether that's been causing the crankshaft oil seal to leak, but looking around here it looks like there's been a lot of heat and it's burnt a lot of oil onto it, so I don't know what's been going on. Just going to have to see whether it's the bearing that's worn or it's the crank that's worn. Luckily a friend has a crank that's already built ready. Just going to decide what to do. Apart from that, everything looks alright. Gearbox is fine, clutch is fine, everything like that seems okay. Didn't have all the correct tools to take it apart, but I managed to get it apart, you know. It wasn't the most conventional way. There was a few bolts that were seized on there to cut off. But apart from that, it came out alright, so it should go back together okay as well. I don't know whether that's the problem there is with it not starting or not. I don't know, because it had air, it had fuel, it had compression, it had spark. It just wouldn't start. Checked all the wiring connections, tried bump starting it, tried putting a bit of fuel down the spark plug hole. It just still wouldn't fire. Checked all the wiring connections, they were fine. The only thing I thought it could be is a stator and the flywheel, until I took the cranksail off and seeing that the bearing was spinning. But surely it should still fire unless it was losing compression through the oil seal. I don't know. Just have to wait and see, because I'm going to have to rebuild it now anyway. Might as well put a new piston in while I'm on. While it's out. I might put a head gasket on it. I just don't know. It's like, when do you stop? You just never end up stopping. Place one bit after another, after another, after another. Hopefully I'll give you an update when I get a crank and get it all together and see if it runs. Hopefully we can get a video of it running, maybe, fingers crossed, because I'm sick of spending money on it. All the new parts, but can't even ride it. Devastating. It's the joys of owning a two-stroke. They only run when they want to. I'll see you next time on the next video. Like and subscribe and share, please. Thank you.